first time coming here. Fresh pumpkins. This. Hello. Right, so we are here at, and what's the name of this place again?
Hank's Farm Stand.
Okay, and you're gonna take us around?
Sure.
Okay, thank you.
The farmer's name is Hank Jacobs. His wife is Bev Jacobs, who runs the farm, who mostly covers everything.
Okay.
And just sells everything. And Mr. Hank, he grows everything in Kankakee, pretty much.
He grows it in Kankakee.
Yeah.
Does he travel back and forth? Or?
Yes, that's his
okay.
truck right there.
Oh wow. Okay. That's
Yeah.
pretty cool.
And yeah, the mums are his, and the pumpkins, and the hay bales and corn stalks, and the flowers, pumpkin squash.
And that's what are these called? Torrance was interested in.
These are called gourds.
Okay.
They're pretty cool. I like to think of most of them as being shaped like birds.
Okay.
Like this would be a beak, and these are birds. They're pretty, they're pretty fallish. So they're pretty falling. And yeah, the little pumpkins. These are called pumpkin mounds. I don't know the actual name. I think some of them would be like white tiger striped.
Okay.
And yeah.
These are really nice. And then I guess let's see the and of course this is the squash.
Yeah,
I don't know how to
butternut
cook
acorn.
squash at all. I probably would have to like look
Well,
up.
my mom has a recipe called butternut squash pancakes.
Oh really? I
It's
bet
where
it's good.
you take the insides out, well you bake it, and then you take the insides out,
Okay.
and then you add a bunch of ingredients to it, and you make a batter.
Okay.
And then you make these like little thick pancakes.
Oh, that's nice.
So that's spaghetti squash.
Okay.
They look
taste nice.
Yes, it does.
They're really tart and sweet. And we just ran out of cantaloupe a couple weeks ago. So
Okay.
we don't sell cantaloupe right now.
Okay.
But the cantaloupe is really nice. Many people.
Oh, I see even more stuff over there. Are those just pumpkins?
Yeah, those are pumpkins.
Okay.
That haven't been put out yet.
Come on, Torrance.
And then all this has been sold is Amish made. So the Amish makes it, and then
So jam, different types of jam.
yeah, those are the ones that don't.
Oh,
have,
all natural, seedless. Yep.
Yeah, these are the ones that don't have any sugar in it, like added sugars. These ones do have added sugars. Like
Oh,
if you just
okay.
look at the ingredients, sugar.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then even a hot pepper jam.
Yeah, they all have sugar except for that. And
Peach
then,
butter,
I'm not exactly sure.
apple butter,
Yeah, I'm not exactly
pumpkin butter.
Yeah. So maple syrup. The maple syrup is pretty good, I've heard. And then the dressings are. I haven't been able to try any dressings because my mom never buys them. But
Oh, really? Do you eat salads? Do you like salads?
oh yeah, I love salad.
Okay.
I think salad's the best.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We grab some honey and we grab some pickles and we grab.
What these?
That's honey.
That's 2 pounds of honey.
We got you this honey right here.
And that is 1 pound of honey. That is 5 pounds of honey.
Oh, wow.
And then a bunch of pickled things.
Yes.
And sauerkraut and relish.
And yeah, that's why I had to grab the pickles. I love dill pickles. And those, all of this is like, do they make this as well?
We don't. The
Okay.
Amish did.
Oh, the Amish. Okay. Okay.
The Amish makes it and then sends it to us.
Okay.
And yeah, so it's
Potato chopped onions.
Yes. This is normally where the corn is. We are still selling it.
Okay.
But, we cleaned it off because we're gonna
It's
be closing
time to
in a half
close.
hour. So,
And then the
it's
tomatoes.
5:25, we'll be closing soon, and then yeah, tomatoes. The tomatoes are amazing.
Yes, that's why I love tomatoes. Like I can eat them. Just put a little bit of salt and pepper, and they're delicious. Garlic. What is? Is this like a?
That's romaine lettuce.
Okay. Cool.
Where's garlic?
Right here. Yeah. You've probably only seen it on like beets.
Yeah. All right. Thank you so much, young lady.
You're welcome.
We are going to go, and I'm about to try some of the pickles in the car.
Mommy,
Uh-huh.
can I take something else behind me?
Yes, I'll let you taste some. All right, have a good day, you guys. Okay, so when are you open?
We are open Monday through Friday, 10 to 6. We are
And
closed on Sundays.
what's the address here?
I don't know the address.
I'll look it up and
we
then.
just know the way. We don't.
Okay.
Yeah, but you do, I think it's Hank's Farm Stand.
Okay, okay.
And yeah, Orland Park, Illinois.
Okay. Thank you so much for giving us a tour. We're going to enjoy these goodies that we have. Yes,
These are tiny
that's.
hay bales. These
Yep.
are the kind of things you decorate your porch with. Yeah, Halloweenish.
Oh. All right, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I'm about to eat a pickle now in the car. Come on, Torrance. You have a great weekend. Bye-bye. Thanks again. Yep. Check out Jasmine's Way so you can see yourself.
Pickle.
You want to get a pumpkin?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to get a white pumpkin.
Oh, they got, I should get you a watermelon. I'm going to have to get Grandma and them to cut it, though. Which pumpkin? You want one of those? Let's get it. About this one? Want this one?
Yeah.
Say yes, don't say yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
That's squash. I don't know how to cook that. I want to get some, you want a watermelon? Want a watermelon? I don't know how to cut these things. Oh. Good morning. How you all doing? Good, and you? I'm good. Oh, what's this? Salad dressing. Regular jams. Someone's over here.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah, we sell all the good Amish stuff.
Oh, wow. I want this. Are you getting a little? You gonna get that for Jasmine?
Which one?
You giving a little pumpkin to Jasmine?
Mm-hmm. And I like
That's what it is.
where?
I love pickles.
Just one more.
We hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe to Jasmine's Way. Also, turn on that notification button so you'll be notified each and every time we upload a new video. Bye.
Watermelon, medium corn salsa. This is kind of sweet, but it's good. Dill pickles, the juice is gone because I opened this up in the car because I was like really, really hungry because I'm still doing a 10-day detox. But this is the jar with the pickle juice. Honey. Morris wanted the honey. And then jalapeno salsa. This is actually sweet and spicy. It's pretty good. So I definitely plan to go back. Oh,